The name of this week's Torah portion, VaYechi, teaches us a lot about what Judaism has to teach us concerning death and life. The portion VaYechi means "and he lived," as the portion begins with the description of Jacob getting older and about to die. And the portion also describes the death of Joseph. Two great patriarchs in our tradition, their deaths are described in a portion with the name "and he lived." Though this isn't unusual in the Torah, we have a portion earlier in Genesis known as Shaare, the life of Sarah, even though it describes her death. We learn something very important. Why did the rabbis ensure that the portions began in such a way that even though the emphasis of the portion is on death, that the name of the portion would be life? That's what Judaism has to teach us through the name of the portion, that life is crucial to all, meaning how we live our lives. What meaning do we add to our life? What do we do with our lives? What values do we uphold? What do we accomplish in our life? That is what's most important. It's not about death and what happens after life, after death. It's all about life itself. And no matter how old we are when we pass away, hopefully when we're 120, it's all about the life well lived and the values that we can pass on to the next generation. Such is the lesson that we learn from VaYechi, and he lived. Shabbat Shalom.